In this video, I'll show you how to put your Samsung Smart TV into game mode. So what you need to do is to take your remote control, even if it doesn't look like this one. And what we need to do is to press the home button. This should appear down below. And now we're going to press the left side arrow a few times. If your remote control has a circle, we need to press on the left side of that circle until we have highlighted settings on the lower left side. Do not select settings, you just need to highlight it. Then press the up arrow or the up side of the circle. And now in these upper options, we need to navigate pressing the right side arrow until we are above game mode. You see, right now it's turned off. You're going to press OK to select it. And now it will be turned on. To have more options, you need to press the up arrow while game mode is highlighted. And you'll be able to select Go to Game Mode Settings. This menu will open up and you'll have more options that you can play with. If you're not able to have access to game mode because it's grayed out, what you need to do is to press the source input button on your remote control. If you do not have it, simply press the home button. And you need to select an external source, so where your Xbox or your PlayStation or any other console or HDMI devices is connected. So go over it, in my case it's HDMI 1, and press OK. If you're not on an HDMI source, game mode won't be available. So this is very important. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.